This is a review of the tire inflator portable air compressor cordless 150 psi that has a LED display, a on and off rechargeable battery as well too. That I'm gonna be doing a review and we're gonna test this and to see whether or not if this product is worth it. But yeah, one of the few things I want to talk about this product that you can see I have it unboxed and it has everything that what you need. It comes with the instruction manual guide. It comes with a beautiful velvet case, so pretty much you could use this to to storage and put up the tire inflator whenever you're done using it. It comes with a USB port to charge it up as well too. And right over here you can see we have all the hardware that you need if you're wanting to pretty much put air into something else. You have that as well too. But when I turn this on, you can see the display. When I have it on, you're gonna see a beautiful display right over here. Now you can see here, not only that, you could not only use this for your car automotive purposes, but you could use this to pretty much inflate air into your basketball or soccer ball. Pretty much anything that has air, you could use this to inflate it. So you could do this for all sorts of pretty much everything. But yeah, we're gonna be testing this on my car tire to see how well this thing performs. And you can see here that I have it set at a 32 psi, which is recommended for my car tire. And we're gonna test this to see how well this thing performs. And I do love the fact that it also comes with charge as well too, so that's a huge plus right there. But yeah, we're gonna be going into the garage and test this to see whether or not this product is worth it and how well this tire inflator performs. So you can see right over here that we have it at 30 psi and it needs to be at 32, which is not too bad. But we're gonna inflate this air to pretty much to 32 psi, and we're gonna show you guys this and come back to see how well this thing performs. So you can see right over here, we have it done and it was just 2 psi off. I do want to mention the fact that this is pretty quiet as compared to my other inflator that you put in the cigarette lighter. I do love the fact that you no longer have to use the ones where you pretty much put in your cigarette lighter. And those ones, you guys know, it's pretty much too complicating and it's a struggle a little bit. What I love about this is portable and you don't need to have your car on or off or anything like that with the cigarette lighter, and you could pretty much do this while the car's off. So that's one thing I like. I also like the fact that it charges very quick as well too. It's pretty quick when it does it, like very fast. So I would highly recommend this portable tire inflator because of how you could pretty much use this for universal. It's for your car tire, your basketball, any sports you play that you need to inflate air into that accessory. And I would overall recommend this tire inflator because it does pretty much it inflates air into pretty much almost to everything. So I would highly recommend this tire inflator if you're looking for a new inflator that does no longer need any cigarette lighter. Then this is probably one of the best tire inflators that you could get.